This is the video on how to import lab result data. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, click on the patient profile. Next, from the submenu on the left, choose Lab Results. Under the Lab Summary tab, click on the Import button. Select the date of the lab result, then choose the lab name and the lab procedure. Click Add to upload the lab results. Be sure that the file is in PDF format, or an error will prompt. Now, key in the results here. To add another result, click the Add Result button and repeat the same steps. Once you've finished entering all the details, click Save. A prompt box will appear, click Yes. Now, the lab results have been successfully imported. You can view the results here in the lab summary. To view the PDF file, simply click on the file icon. Additionally, if you go to the lab orders section, you can see that the lab tests are listed here as well. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.